Welcome to this new video. In this video, you will learn complete breath sounds. Breath sounds can be divided into normal breath sounds and abnormal breath sounds. Normal breath sounds are vesicular breath sounds, while abnormal breath sounds can be diminished breath sounds, completely absent breath sounds, bronchial breathing, or you may be able to hear added or adventitious sounds which include wheezes, crackles or crepitations, pleural rub, or stridor. So vesicular breath sounds are the normal breath sounds which are audible in most part of the lungs. They are soft and low pitched sounds. Inspiratory phase is longer than expiratory phase and there is no gap between these two phases. Like already mentioned, abnormal breath sounds include diminished or absent breath sounds, bronchial breathing, or added breath sounds. Breath sounds become diminished in conditions like emphysema, pneumonia, over lung bully, over a thick chest wall, or in shallow breathing. They become completely absent in cases of pleural effusion, pneumothorax, over lung collapse, and sometimes over lung cavity. Coming on to bronchial breathing, it is pertinent to note that bronchial breath sounds per se are not abnormal if heard over main airways like trachea and main bronchi. There they are the normal sounds. However, if heard over areas of lungs distant to the main airways, they are considered abnormal then. They are loud and tubular in quality and have high pitch. Inspiratory phase is equal to the expiratory phase and there is a definite gap between these two phases. Bronchial breath sounds are heard in consolidation, lobar collapse with patent bronchus, over lung cavity, and over surface of large pleural effusions. Added breath sounds include wheezes, crackles or crepitations, pleural rub, and stridor. Coming on to wheezes, they are continuous sounds with musical quality and usually heard during expirations. These indicate narrowing of the airways either due to bronchospasm or secretions in smaller airways. Wheezes can be low-pitched or high-pitched. Low-pitched wheezes are also called sonorous wheeze because they have snoring-like quality. And sometimes low-pitched wheeze is also known as rhonchi. They are heard when smaller airways become narrow due to secretions, like in patients with COPD. High-pitched wheezes are also called sibilant wheeze. These are generated due to difficult air passage during expiration through constricted smaller airways. These can be polyphonic, that is, sounds of variable tones, and reason is variable degree of bronchoconstriction over wide area of chest, like in patients of asthma. And this is the type of wheeze which is commonly heard in clinical practice. Monophonic wheeze is, on the other hand, is heard over localized area and is generated due to partial obstruction of a single bronchiole, like due to foreign body or tumors. Coming on to crackles or crepitations, previously they were known as rails. This terminology is no longer in use. These are non-musical quality interrupted sounds heard mostly during inspiration. Smaller airways and alveoli sometimes get collapsed due to interstitial fluid or fibrosis, and crackles or crepitations are generated due to abrupt opening of these collapsed smaller airways. These mimic sounds of ripping opening of Velcro. Crackles can be early inspiratory, mid-inspiratory, or late inspiratory. And sometimes they can be biphasic, that is, these can be heard during both inspiration and expiration. We can further classify crepitations in fine and coarse. Fine crepitations are heard in cases of bronchiolitis, pulmonary edema, and while coarse crepitations are heard in cases of COPD, resolving pneumonia, lung abscesses, tuberculous lung cavities, and in cases of bronchiectasis. Coming on to pleural rub. Classically speaking, these are not lung sounds but included here because these are usually generated because of lung pathology. There is inflammation of pleural surfaces causing roughening of visceral and parietal pleurae. And when these roughened pleural surfaces slide over each other during inspiration, pleural rub is generated. These are low-pitched grating sounds. Sometimes pleural rub can be confused with pericardial rub, but these can be differentiated by doing brief inspiratory hold maneuver. During this maneuver, pericardial rub will continue, but if it was pleural rub, it will stop. Coming to the last sound, stridor. This is a high-pitched monophonic core sound which is produced due to partial obstruction of the main airways. Sometimes it can be heard even without stethoscope. This is due to turbulent airflow through a partially obstructed airway at the level of supraglottis, subglottis, or trachea.